Hello doctors and parents, this is Vishnu Kansing. Welcome to in Admission Media. Today we're going to discuss about the three major points. That is, first we're going to discuss about the NEET PG 23 counseling latest update. That exactly what is happening regarding our all India counseling, as well as we're going to discuss about the states counseling of all over India, that in which all the states registration has already been opened and the which all states are about to start their registration process. As well as we're going to discuss about the second point, we're going to discuss about the next examination and as well as the pattern and the strike which is currently going on from the batches, from the candidates of the 2019 batch. Third point, we're going to discuss about the some latest information regarding CPS 2022 counseling. Till now there was a multiple of the rumors as well as the paper article has been publishing that CPS will no longer be valid. The body as well as the courses will be closed enough. So in this session we're going to discuss about the what is exactly happening with the CPS, whether there will be any further sessions will be there or not, and what gonna happen with the CPS seats. So before that, if you're new on this channel and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel Admission Media as well as our Telegram channel Admission Media, then do subscribe it. As well as you can follow me as well as you can follow us on Instagram also. That is the page name is Admission Media, so do follow it if you there. And as well as if you're looking for a low budget management seat or NRI seats at the lower prices, or you will be just eligible right now, or if you think that you will be eligible after this revised cutoff, then how to proceed for the NRI documents or how to proceed for a management seat. If you can't have an NRI document for yourself, then for all those details you can contact me on the given number below, that is 9545955519. And for any other updates regarding NEET PG 23 counseling for PG 23 counseling paid counseling guidance, you can contact me, as well as you can visit our website admissionmedia.in and view our packages and everything. So first of all, we're going to discuss about the next 2023 batch, next 2024. The next has already been confirmed that they are going to conduct for the 2019 batch and so on. But at the same time, the strike has been launched. The multiple medical colleges candidates are coming forward and they are doing the strike regarding their next examination, because there are multiple of the things which are still uncleared, that FMG, the NEET PG and everything which I have already explained. But two or three major points has been raised by the 2019 batch, which are, first, they have, if the NMC is saying that it's just a final year your graduation exam, that is, it's nothing more than just a university exam. Next is nothing else, just a university exam. Then any of the university exam, there is no negative marking. But if next is happening on the pattern, on the exam pattern of AIIMS, again there is a negative marking in AIIMS examination, that is INECT. As well as if it's happening on the NEET PG pattern, examination pattern, then again in NEET PG there is a negative marking. So the big question is that if it's already just a university exam, then why there is a negative marking? The first main question is this. Second, the time limit which has been given for the candidates, that they have to clear next one as well as next two within a period of 10 year only. So that's another big point. As well as there is a percentage ratio. Till now only 50 percentile candidates get eligible, and in this next they are saying the eligibility criteria will be 50% in each subject. That's a very big deal, because if you look at some data which we have prepared currently in NEET PG 23 or in any NEET PG, 50 percentile of candidates gets eligible. They get eligible in the examination and they proceed for the seats for NEET PG. Next, again the same thing, after clarification, after clearing your next one, 6 exam at the same time, then you will be eligible for taking admission in NEET PG. Currently 50 percentile, when it comes to the percentage, around 36 to 37% of candidates gets eligible. At the same time, when next is happening, around 50% itself they are saying, they are not saying percentile, they are saying 50% candidates will be eligible. If you look at the data, currently the 36 to 37%, as per the 50 percentile, around 90,000 candidates gets eligible. But at the same time, when it will be happening for the 50%, then it will be around only 24 to 25 candidates, 24 to 25,000 candidates will be only eligible. But if you look at the seat matrix or the seats of India, it is around 50 to 60,000, in between around that only. So the candidates getting eligible is less, but the candidates, the seat matrix or the seats for private colleges or the deemed or the all over NEET PG, the seats are more. So that's a very big question, that how they gonna fill up their all the seats, or only the private, the private college seats will be all vacant, because approximately 20,000 seats are there only in the government colleges. So that's a very big question, that how they are going to govern. But they are already forming a body, they are forming their delegates to meet the NMC official, because they have to file a PIL or the court, the court case in the Supreme Court or the High Court. But if before that they have to meet the embassy, they have to meet the NMC, because if you go directly in the Supreme Court, as we have seen in the last previous 2 to 3 years, they will be saying that first you have to resolve with your ministry or the officials. If they won't resolve you, then you have to come down to us. So exactly this is what happening, and the strike is already ongoing. Multiple more colleges will be added in this, the multiple more colleges will be coming forward, and they will be joining other candidates in this session, in this strike. Now I'm gonna talk about the state subject. The Gujarat State Counseling has already opened their registration form, and they have already over their registration form also the document verification is already ongoing. Second, the Tamil Nadu has released their notification as well as the criteria for their eligibility just right now, few times before. Today itself they have released their notification regarding the counseling. The counseling date is not disclosed yet, but the registration for the Tamil Nadu state has already been opened. If I talk about the registration process, there are mainly 3 to 4 types of seats. First one is government quota seats in government colleges. Government quota seat in private colleges, that is self-financing private colleges of Tamil Nadu. These seats only available for the Tamil Nadu domicile candidates or those candidates who have completed their MBBS from there. The registration fees for them is 3,000 rupees, as well as the security deposit for government colleges is 30,000, while for the semi-government colleges it's 1 lakh rupees. But Tamil Nadu is also open state, means if you are a non-domicile of Tamil Nadu, still you can apply for their management or NRI quota seat. The fee structure has not been released, but the application form charges is 5,000 rupees, as well as the security deposit is 2 lakh rupees. So if you're looking for a low budget management seat or NRI seat, then you can take this state as a consideration, because their category B fees is just 14 lakh rupees per annum. As per the last year, the latest fee structure for either management or the NRI seat has not been released. So it will be very well to see that what exactly happening. As well as there was an earlier notification in which we have already mentioned that in this session around 400 to 500 seats will be less compared to the last year, because these seats, in the private colleges or the management seats will be less for the other candidates, because these seats will be going for the self-governing, the semi-government seats, as the notification was already there. So open quota seats will be less compared to the last year, because 400 to 500 seats is already went to the state domicile candidates, for the semi-government quota seat. This state is already important, because this is the first state who has filed a court case in their Madras High Court once the NMC bill has been come forward. So let's see what is happening with their fee structure, because it's the first time they are coming with this much of seats will be going to the semi-government. So it is interesting to say that how much fee is going to be increased in this session or in the private colleges of Tamil Nadu. As well as West Bengal has again released a notification in which they have asked to come forward for the PWD, those candidates who are under PWD, and they have to make their certificate. They can come online, and the dates of notification and every details is already available on our Telegram channel Admission Media. You can just view from there, as well as we have also shared on our Instagram Admission Media. Now we're going to discuss about the CPS 2022 notification. Till now, multiple of the rumors has been heard, and multiple of the suggestions were also made that why not to close this body, why not to do this XYZ. Even in CPS, mainly 3 branches, that is DGO, DCS and DPP. These branches are MCI recognized. Even there was a notification or there was a suggestion from NMC itself, why not to disclose and de-recognize these branches from next academic year. But till now, that is 6th of July 2023, there is no clarification or there is no notification that CPS is going to be closed out or these branches will be non-recognized from now onwards. The process and the things is not happening anything, but the very important thing is happening. The 1,000 seats are approximately in CPS, and MMC has started their investigation, their inspection in the colleges as well as the hospitals of Maharashtra regarding CPS seats. It simply means if MMC, that is Maharashtra Medical Counseling, is doing inspection, then it surely means that these seats won't be added in DNB or NB diploma as what it was suggested by many of the counselors. So these seats, most chances is there CPS counseling will be there, as per the MMC is happening, they are conducting their inspection. Simply means they have to conduct the counseling. That's why they are doing it. Otherwise, there is no need of it. But as per the latest information as we have published out by the multiple of the newspaper, the Hindu also, MMC is conducting their inspection in the multiple of the hospitals as well as the colleges of Maharashtra regarding CPS seat, and it is expected within this week the inspection will be over, and after that they will be finding they will be deciding what they have to do, whether they have to conduct the counseling at what timing and the notification. Overall, the simple thing and the one more important point is this: CPS has not been closed out till now. None of the branch has been de-recognized till now. The CPS 2022 counseling is most likely to happen by this month of itself. So if you're looking for a CPS seats, or if you are waiting for a PG, if you are waiting for CPS seat, then the good news for you. Most probably the counseling will be by this month end. And if you're looking for a low budget seats or management seat, as well as the NRI seats or any other details, you can contact me on the given number below. As well as if you wish to meet us, then our offices in Pune, Bangalore and other states also. You can come down anytime and meet us. But before coming, do take the appointment, because it's necessary to meet a counselor, not to the staff there. So if you're planning to come down at any time, you can just take the appointment on our WhatsApp itself, and you can come down and we can discuss how to proceed for the counseling and everything. This is it in this video. See you in another. Thank you so much for watching this video.